Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this hair accessory for kids, and if that's something that you'd like to see, definitely keep watching. To start off, you need some 3D flowers, and basically this will be used to embellish the hair accessory. You would also need some satin ribbon, and this one is about 1 inch wide, which is the size that I recommend, and it's in the same color that I'm working with. You'd also need your measuring tape to take basic measurements like the one we just done. You'd also need your Alice band, and this one is just a plain regular one. You need some tulle, and I've got a strip of tulle here that is about 31 inches wide and 8 inches long. You'd also need your thread, and for me, my thread is already on a needle, and it's basically what I'm showing you right now. So I put on a needle, and you just need it in the matching color. That's all you need, literally. You'd also need your snips, and your snip is basically just used to cut off loose thread. So yes, I've got my snips there. Lastly, you'll need your base fabric, and I've cut like a circle, sewn like a circle. If you got felt fabric, this will work well as well. You need your glue gun and your glue stick as well. Switch on the glue gun and set it aside. Afterwards, cut out a strip of fabric that is 31 inches wide and 8 inches long. Then go ahead and hand gather the strip of fabric as shown in the video. After hand gathering the tulle, go ahead and tie it in the center with your thread as shown. You want to make sure you tie it firmly and go around it a few times so that you can have it secure. After securely tying the tulle, go ahead and spread it out as shown in the video. You want to make sure that it's evenly distributed and it looks nice on all sides. If you need to trim it down at this point, you can go ahead and trim it down if you feel it's too long. After spreading out the tulle and you're happy with the results, set it aside and then grab your Alice band. It is now time to wrap your Alice band with your satin ribbon. To wrap the Alice band with your satin ribbon, start off by folding the end and holding it secure with glue. This is basically to keep the ends from fraying. Next, you want to go ahead and wrap the Alice band as shown, and you want to do this all the way, making sure that it is securely wrapped at the very beginning and it is wrapped all the way to the end as shown in the video. At this point, I'm just trying to make sure that the end is firmly wrapped without any crease, and that's why I'm going over it a couple of times. So after that, it's pretty straightforward. You basically just want to wrap it or wrap around it in a diagonal fashion as shown. However, guys, I do have to mention that you have to be extremely careful while doing this because that glue gun gets really hot and the glue gets hot, and hot glue on your skin is no fun, guys. Trust me, it is absolutely no fun. No kids or teenagers should be doing this unsupervised, and this video is basically just intended for adults, so please take note. Make sure that no underage person is doing this and no one burns themselves. So continue wrapping it like this until you get to the very end. Alright guys, this is what it looks like after wrapping it up, and as you can see, the ends are securely wrapped into place. Next, I'm just going to remove the glue on my hands, and it's really easy to take the glue off. All you need to do is peel it off, and the next thing to do is to determine where you want the design to sit, whether you want it in the center or the side. So I want mine to the side, so what I've done is I've gone to put some glue on the base I'm using a circle satin as my base, and I'm gluing it to the inside of the Alice band. Guys, you have to make it to the inside of the Alice band. So after gluing it into place, I'm going to put some glue all over the base and the Alice band around where the base is sitting, and then you're going to just fix the tulle onto the glue, making sure that it sits firmly on the base. Apply some more glue if you need to, and then hold it firmly together with your fingers, just so that you can apply pressure on it and make sure that the tulle adheres properly to the base. After setting aside for a minute or two to dry, go ahead and fix the flowers onto the tulle. To do this, all you need to do is apply some glue to the bottom of the flower and stick it onto the tulle wherever you want it to be. Guys, you don't have to follow this design. However, this is something that I find very easy, and for me it kind of just covers all the mess on the tulle that I might have made earlier. So basically I just put some glue onto the base of my flower or to the base of my flower, and I just make it sit right there on the top of the tulle. Really easy. I'm using 5 flowers, so I'm basically just going to do that for all 5 of them. Trim off all uneven edges and then check that all the pieces are properly glued to each other. If there's any reason to apply more glue, go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and here is the finished products. This is what it looks like from the top, from the side, from the front, and from the back. So you will agree with me that it's a really pretty hair accessory, and I made another one earlier, and this one is in red. Slight differences here and there, but however it's overall the same design, and it's got the base thing as well. For the base, you can use felt like I said earlier. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was worth your while. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Bye, and see you in my next video.